It has never been easier to reach a global audience. Yet when most businesses try to scale operations, they hit a solid brick wall. The culprit is fragmented execution. Organizations build their digital presence relying on a disconnected network of isolated agencies and independent freelancers, creating disjointed customer experiences. To grow, you need the opposite, a structured, unified infrastructure where every piece is connected. You cannot achieve enterprise-level growth by taping together random digital tools. The underlying architecture itself has to be structurally sound from day one. Scaling successfully requires viewing a brand as a complete operating system. Logos and visual identities are essentially the user interface for a deep technical layer. This is the Brand OS model. It operates at the strict intersection of technology, creative identity, and performance marketing. When those three components turn together smoothly, the system ensures every single touchpoint is modern, consistent, and built to drive measurable trust and growth. Treating your brand as a complete, cohesive mechanical engine is the very first step toward building real digital authority. This diagram illustrates how Zaims Technologies brings this entire operating system under one roof. We break this down into an engineered ecosystem of three interconnected engines. The first engine is your brand infrastructure. We develop comprehensive brand systems that rely on strict grid-based consistency and scalable governance rules, ensuring your brand looks as premium as your ambitions. Those rules feed directly into the second engine, digital platforms. This translates your visual identity into the central infrastructure of your business. To compete globally, these platforms require rigorous engineering standards, mobile-first architecture, baked-in SEO, and advanced speed optimization. But premium design and robust coding are only effective when they are specifically engineered to capture and convert incoming traffic. Here we see the third engine, growth systems. This glowing visualization maps out a multi-stage, full-funnel digital marketing process designed to systematically generate targeted demand, from initial market positioning all the way to strict conversion tracking. Beneath these engines sits the intelligence layer. This 3D breakdown reveals the integrated technology and AI stack powering the operation. By running execution through platforms like React and Shopify and feeding data into AI dashboards, we make purely data-driven decisions. This linear pipeline outlines our execution methodology. We deploy these systems through a highly structured 5-step framework, from initial discovery to multi-market expansion, ensuring enterprise-grade delivery. Having access to advanced technology is irrelevant if you lack a standardized, rigorous assembly line to execute it. So what happens to a company's bottom line when this cohesive operating system is fully deployed in the real world? This Google Ads optimization dashboard reveals the impact in B2C e-commerce. By applying data-driven strategies, we achieved a 257% increase in return on ad spend while dropping the cost per conversion to under $5. This performance tracker for a real estate client shows how the system expands market reach. Strictly targeted campaigns generated 18.8 million total impressions and over 2 million video views at a low cost per result. And for B2B enterprise clients, this demographic optimization dashboard displays highly precise targeting. We achieved 92% engagement with male audiences and reduced wasted spend by over $15,000 through improved lead quality. These results demonstrate that a unified digital infrastructure reduces acquisition costs by eliminating wasted ad spend and creates the technical headroom needed for expansion. Achieving these global execution standards is highly accessible. This pricing table outlines our transparent, tier-based partnership models, covering everything from project-based web delivery to dedicated growth retainers. Stop buying isolated digital services that fail to communicate with each other. Reach out to Zaims Technologies and let's engineer a digital system that matches your ambition. In the modern global economy, true digital authority is not guessed or outsourced in pieces. It is engineered.